This is week 3, assignment 3 on problem solving through C programming. We'll discuss one by one. So this is the first one where you need to find out the result with plenty of arithmetic operators. So when you have arithmetic operators, you need to follow which comes first and which comes last, which means for which operator we are going to give the first preference. So for that you can take a look at this. So this is the table. You can Google it and get it. So whenever we have a parenthesis, which means the brackets, first it should be evaluated, and in the same way you have to come down till you can see all the operators which are used in C language which has some preference. And in this question we have got multiplication, division, modulus, plus, minus. So you can remember all these things because we will be often using star, division, modulus, plus, minus. So this is the preference we are going to give for the particular expression: multiplication, division, modulus, plus, minus. Now let me take this one. Yeah, now you see. So first I have applied all the values 50, 50 into minus 26, 3, C6, D3, and then I have evaluated at first multiplication. So 50 minus 20, which is 100, and then 6 into 3, 18. Okay, and then I have evaluated division. So 100 by 6, which is equal to 16 into 6, 96. So you will get only integer value because the value declared in terms of int, you will not get any floating point value, so you'll get only 16. And then multiplication, division, and then modulus. 16 by 3, you'll get 5 times of 3, so the remainder is 1, so the 1 comes over here. And then addition and then subtraction. So addition is 50 plus 18 is equal to 68 minus 1, which is 67. So the answer will be option A, 67. And then second one. So second one is you have uh, the operator, ternary operator here, right? Which means after this question mark, if the sentence is true, you will get the first one. If the sentence is false, you will get the second one. For this case, you see this one. So first what I've done is I have applied h is equal to 8 over here, and before that I have completed the multiplication preference. So 4, 6, 24, and 3 times 4, which is 12, and I have applied 8 over here into 5, and the remaining values are as it is. And you can add these two, will be 36, and less than this will be 5 times 8, which is 40. If this sentence is true, then the first one will be printed. If the sentence is false, the condition is false, then the second one will be printed. But now this sentence is true because 36 is less than 40. You will get 4 as a output over here, and that is what I have given 4. And then this one. Yeah. So if case again, and let me go here. Yeah. Okay. So first it evaluates x if 3 greater than 5. 3 greater than 5 is false, so this will retain the value as 0. And or condition, you have 2 which is not equal to 3, so 2 not equal to 3, which is true condition, so it retains 1. So this is 1 and this is 0, so 1 0 in or operator. Or operator, if you have any 1 as 1, then the output will be 1, so this will be printed. IIT KGP Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur will be the output for the fourth one, like this. And then fifth one. So fifth one is you have AND operator, logical AND operator. So whenever you have a logical AND operator, if both values are integers, irrespective of 0, right? If there is no 0, you can directly evaluate it. So this is minus 10, this is 10. So AND operator will give you 1, and this is 20 minus 20. It is an integer, which means true number. So you'll get 1 here. So 1, 1 in OR operator, you'll get true condition. So value is condition is true. And this one, if condition, we have I equal to 0, 2, 3. So in this case, yeah, this is Kharagpur. Yeah. So whenever you have a comma, values are separated with comma in if case, then this will evaluate all but prints only the last value, which means I equal to 3. So whenever in if condition I value is not equal to 0, then the value is assumed to be true condition. But for any true integer it is true. So the first one, print of nptel, will be printed, right? So else case will not be printed, so else is closed here. And then finally you have one more print statement which prints percentage d I value. So I value only 1 percentage d. If it is 3 percentage d, you will get 3 value. If it is 1 percentage d, then I value evaluates to the first one, which means I equal to 0, printing I value in the first index. So the output will be nptel space 0, which means nptel is the first if case, and this 0 belongs to the last print case. So your output will be nptel 0. And for this one, so if x equal to 0, if of x plus plus, then true. Else if x equal to 1, uh, print false. So this is x value. If it is pre-increment, then the value of if here is 1, but it is post increment x plus plus. So the value is 0 here. In if condition, if it is 0, then it is false condition. The print statement will not come here. So this will check for else if. So else if of x equal to 1. Now this x value is 1 because it is post increment. So 0 is printed here. After that the x value will retains the 1 value because of the increment. So you'll get 1 equal to 1. So the output will be false, because in print statement we have false, right? So there is no issues in the print statement. Now you see here. So this value is 0 here, and this value now changed into 1 value here. So 1 equal to 1, you will get the next print statement is false statement. And the next question again, whenever you have assignment operators like this, equal to not equal to, this retains, if the value is true it retains 1. If value is not equal, which means false, that retains 0 value here. So in that case, you'll see the next case. First case, it evaluates 10 equal to 20. So 10 equal to 20 is a false statement. So this will retain 0. Okay. So 0 will be here, and 0 now evaluated to not equal to 30. That is the case over here. Not equal to 30. Then 0 absolutely not equal to 30. So this will be true condition. So this will print value is 1. So the output of this one is 1. And the next one, ninth case, you can get the information from the previous one, right? So you have a b c values, and over here c greater than b greater than a. So in the if case, if first evaluation c greater than b, c is 300 and b is 200, if it is true, that retains value is 1 over here, and 1 greater than a is 100 here. So 1 greater than 100 is false. So the output will be false over here. And the last one, you can get answer from here itself. So y is equal to 10, and you are going to check whether the y is equal to 10 or not, because it is within the parenthesis. So first this should be evaluated. So y value is 10, and here also 10. So 10 equal to 10, the true condition, that will give you 1 over here. So y plus 1, you'll get 11, and submit your answer. Assignment 3 is successfully submitted.